Thank you.
Hi. Jackie. Jackie, come. You know, Shane and Saj should be here. I think you have to go that side.
Come this way. किस तरफ चाहिए?
Well, Shane and Falguni have decided to challenge me or give me a 10-foot trail. It was very tough on the stage, but it's beautiful. Or I'm very happy with it.
I'm wearing Shane and Falguni, if you all don't know. And I think I'm looking very good. So I think they've achieved what they're very good at, make me look good because it was a task. I think I'm going to keep this. मैं ये वापस नहीं देने वाला हूँ, इसको घर ले
I don't
जाऊँगा.
think I can take mine home. You cut the
You'll
trail.
need to help us.
नहीं, आपका वो सिंड्रेला वाला हाल है. मेरा वैसा कुछ नहीं है. तो I think I'm going to keep this.
अच्छा जैकी, आप जो है रैंप की ओपनिंग की और रैंप की ओपनिंग में आप अपने टॉकिंग दे.
हाँ जी.
रैंप के साथ
एक्चुअली मुझे कहा गया था कि आप यू आर द ओनली गाय. तो जैसे ही मैंने वो सुना तो मैं आ गया. मैंने कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछे नहीं और उसके बाद मुझे कहा गया कि काफ़ी सारी लड़कियां आपके साथ चलेंगी. बट जब मैं आगे चल रहा था और जब मैं मुड़ा, मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारी है. मतलब आई थिंक 27 मॉडल्स. सो या आई थिंक आई एम लकी.
And I was promised lots of boys, and there were boys only for me. Except Pranav.
Sorry.
So Veer, apart from being a little fearful of the trail, how is it walking the ramp? And essentially, is this something that matches with your personal style statement?
I would think as a bride, when the day comes, I would always want something very, very traditional. But I think today it's changed in my head thanks to them. When they showed me the outfit, I said, this is psyching. This is like cutting edge, fashion, high end. It's very sexy also. It's completely see-through. I don't think my parents would like that. But I think they changed my mind because as a bride, you want to go traditional, but nowadays I think it's to really stand out, and I think that's what their clothes are. You really stand out.
So what's your collection about?
Shame.
so we are talking about your collection. It was quite it seems that it is quite heavy one. So how comfortable?
काफी light है. Actually, if you notice, it's so light that it's hardly covering anything. So it's it's extremely light.
And talking about the
Trail.
how heavy or
It's very, very light. The trail is very light. Or I think the only issue was the fact that shuru mein the stairs, thanks to the organizers, was not very easy.
We'll make it easier next year.
Next year.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, काफी अच्छे आपने कपड़े दिखाए लोगों को. क्या थीम था बेसिकली आपका?
I think it was for the modern Indian bride. It had Indian wear with a twist, and it was not typically like the typical lehengas which everyone wears. So we wanted to just break the rut. Everyone's wearing the same lehengas and same saris. So we wanted to make them look more sexier, more edgier, and basically it was very now. We had incorporated a little bit of international trends as well in terms of colors and stuff in the collection.
They actually made me two. One very traditional lehenga, red and gold, and then they showed me this, and I went with this. So.
Aisha, what do you think about Ambi Valley and Saharashtra for the wedding occasions?
Shane and Taz?
No, they asked you the question.
Oh, they asked. Okay.
As a venue for wedding occasions.
What do you think about the venue?
Oh, I think it would be great. Especially, I think getting away from the city is very important. So why not?
दूल्हा बनकर मैंने दूल्हे वाले कपड़े तो नहीं पहने, बट इट्स शादी के कपड़े. सो आई थिंक दूल्हा तो बहुत टाइम है. मैं अभी तो आया हूँ, मतलब 100-200 साल और हैं. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू आंसर दैट. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू कम टू एम्बी वैली एंड सहारा स्टार. आई लव दिस होटल, आई लव द रेस्टोरेंट्स, एंड yeah, it's a great venue. I think it will become like a new venue for
Alright,
people to
guys,
go to.
one last question.
Quite dashing, exactly. You're looking quite dashing. So which attire you just going to wear for your wedding as a...
For my wedding, that'll be at least 5 years later. I'll contact Falguni and Shane.
Falguni and
I think Jackie is very, he's got that freshness, he's got that very, Indian plus
How
that
s-
sexy edge about him, and he's
How
very
sweet.
hot. So he had to be our only guy with the 27 girls walking behind him. And Samira's a darling.
She's looking great.
And she's the one who could carry off the sheer outfit, so we had to do it with her.
Thank you.
समीरा ब्राइडल वीक की बात की जाए तो काफी सारे जैसे अरेंज मैरिज में ट्रेडिशनल पहना जाता है, अच्छा डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग में तो आपकी शादी तो आप कभी सोचोगे डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग की तरह, जैसे फूड डिजाइन किया हुआ है डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग की तरह है, तो आप क्या
वेडिंग के बारे में सोचने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बॉयफ्रेंड होनी चाहिए. बॉयफ्रेंड के बाद यू थिंक ऑफ द दुल्हा, आफ्टर दुल्हा यू थिंक ऑफ द डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग. अभी बहुत वक्त
And then you don't need to think of the outfits because we'll do all of them for her.
Yes, designers please. The outfit represents your logo and brand. Is it correct?
Yes, a little bit, yeah.
And I think only Samira could have.
Carried it off
Thank
the
you
way
very
she's
much.
doing it. Thank you so much.
You too.